to you like you don't belong, or tells you you're in the wrong field when something's in your mitochondrial, cause it latched on to you like knock knock, let the devil in, malevolent as I've ever been, head is spinning, this medicine screaming dick 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 medicine, it dick dick like a salad bowl, Edgar Allan Poe, bedridden, should have been dead a long time ago, liquid Tylenol, gelatin, sleek my skeletons melting, wicked, I get all high when I think I smell the scent of elephant manure, hella Mickalua, screw it, to hell with it, I went through hell with accelerants and blew up myself again, Volkswagen, tailspin, bucket matches my pale skin, Manowin, went from Hellman's and being rail thin, flavish, scribbles, jam rap, Olympics, 97, freak Nick, how can I be down me in Lazar in Florida, Bruce room, slept on the Florida, motel then, Dr. Dre said hell yeah, and I got it stamped like a postcard, word to mailman, and I know they're gonna hate, but I don't care, I barely can wait to hit him with the snare and the bass, square in the face, this fucking world better prepare to get laced, because they're gonna taste my I got that adrenaline in 'em, not knowing when I'm never gonna slow up in 'em, ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get 'em, they ain't gonna know what hit 'em, when they get me with the I got that adrenaline in 'em, not knowing when I'm never gonna slow up in 'em, ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get 'em, they ain't gonna know what hit 'em, when they get me with the I said knock knock, let the devil in, shotgun, pip pellets in the felt pin, cock fuck around and catch a hot one, it's evident I'm not done, fit venomous, the thoughts spun like your weapon, you're just carting them, held against your will like a hubcap, mud flap, beat strangler, attack, so this ain't gonna feel like a love tap, eat painkiller pills, fuck a blood track, like what's her name's at the wheel, then a cup patch, through the car in the reverse at the Indian nut crash in India, the back of it just mangled steel, my Mustang, Jeep Wrangler grill with the front smashed, much as my rear fender assassin, Slim be a combination of an action, kamikaze and Gandhi, translation I will, probably kill us both when I end up back in India, you ain't gonna be able to tell what the fuck's happening in India, when you're bit with the not knowing when I'm never gonna slow up in 'em, ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get 'em, they ain't gonna know what hit 'em, when they get bit with the I got that adrenaline in 'em, not knowing when I'm never gonna slow up in 'em, ready to snap any momentum, thinking it's time to go get 'em, they ain't gonna know what hit 'em, when they get bit with the I said knock knock, let the devil in, alien, it Elliot, phone home, ain't no telling when this chokehold on this game will end, I'm loco, became a symbiote, so my fangs are in your throne hole, you're spitting with my with the ballpoint pen, gun cock, bump stock, double lock, buckshot, tires up a Uggarot, tie, couple knots fired up and caught fire, juggernaut, punk rock, bitches going down like young Doc, cause the doc put me on like sunblock, why the fuck not, you only get one shot, ate shit till I can't taste it, chased it with straight liquor, then bathed in it, then drank till I faint and awake with a headache, and I take anything in rectangular shape, then I wait to face the demons I'm bonded to, cause they're chasing me, but I'm part of you, so escaping me is impossible, I latch onto you like a parasite, and I probably ruined your parents' life and your childhood too, cause if I'm the music that y'all grew up, I'm responsible for you retarded fools, I'm the super villain, dad and mom was losing their marbles too, you marvel that, Eddie Brock is you, and I'm the suit, so call me